Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a quick comparison between Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Huawei P50 Pro. So as we can see, Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes on the right side and Huawei P50 Pro comes on the left side. So in terms of the design, Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes totally different than Huawei P50 Pro. So it comes here with the space ring camera design, but Huawei P50 Pro it comes with dual matrix camera design. And in terms of the dimension, so we have here Huawei Mate 50 Pro. It comes with 162 mm the height and 75.5 mm the depth, and also it has the 8.5 mm thickness. And if you talk about Huawei P50 Pro, it comes with a height of 158.8 mm height and 72.8 mm the depth, and as well as Mate 50 Pro, it comes with 8.5 mm thickness. And in terms of the weight, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro, it weighs only 209 gram, and Huawei P50 Pro it comes a little bit light, which is 195 gram. So Huawei P50 Pro is more light and more small in terms of dimension. And if we talk about the IP rating, so both phones are IP68, dust and water resistance, up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. And if we talk about the screen here, we have Huawei Mate 50 Pro. It comes with 6.74-inch, and it comes also with the Oled screen. So the screen in Huawei Mate 50 Pro OLED 6.74, and Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 6.6-inch, and as well as Mate 50 Pro comes also with the OLED screen. So both phones are OLED screen, but Huawei Mate 50 Pro is a little bit bigger than Huawei P50 Pro. And if you talk about the screen to body ratio, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 91.3 screen to body ratio, and Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 91.2% screen to body ratio. And both phones are coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So in terms of gaming or even browsing your phone, so both phones will give the same experience. And if we talk about the resolution here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with a resolution of 1212 by 2616, and Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 1228 by 2700. So here, as we can see, Huawei P50 Pro it comes with high resolution comparing to Huawei Mate 50 Pro. And if you talk about the pixel per inch, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 428 pixel per inch, and Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 450 pixel per inch. So Huawei P50 Pro is still coming with a high resolution and pixel per inch as well. And the thing here which makes Mate 50 Pro more durable, which is the Conlon glass in the front, and it's tested in some labs and it gives a very good result in terms of durability. So Conlon glass here is more durable than Huawei P50 Pro. And if we'll talk about the processor, so in Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1, which is 4G and 4 nanometer. So in Huawei P50 Pro it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G and it's 5 nanometer. So that's obviously in Huawei Mate 50 Pro the processor is more powerful. And once we talk about the storage and RAM, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and the Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 8 GB of RAM and also 256 GB of storage. But there is one version in Huawei Mate 50 Pro which is orange color. It comes with 512 GB of storage and 8 GB RAM as well. And if we talk about the battery here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 4700 mAh battery, and the Huawei P50 Pro it comes with 4360 mAh battery. And if we talk about the charging here, we have both phones are coming with 66 watt super fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging, and only Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 5 watts reverse wireless charging. And if you talk about the camera here, so with Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 50 megapixel the main camera, and 64 megapixel the telephoto camera, and 13 megapixel which is ultra wide angle. And the Huawei P50 Pro comes with 50 megapixel which is the main camera, 64 megapixel which is telephoto camera, and 13 megapixel the ultra wide angle. And the Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with the new Huawei X-Mage camera, but Huawei P50 Pro it comes with the Leica camera.